I've been using the Roadie Driver app in 2025, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a worthwhile gig for drivers this year. Roadie offers a flexible platform where drivers can select deliveries that fit their schedule, with the added benefit of seeing payment details up front. The app is user-friendly, allowing for easy navigation and quick access to available gigs. For those with larger vehicles, there's potential to earn more by taking on bulkier deliveries, especially in areas with less competition. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Many drivers have reported that the pay for standard deliveries is relatively low, often making it challenging to cover expenses like fuel and maintenance. The app's support system has also been criticized for being unresponsive, which can be frustrating when issues arise during deliveries. Additionally, the availability of gigs can be inconsistent, particularly in rural areas, making it difficult to rely on Roadie as a primary source of income. In summary, the Roadie Driver app in 2025 offers a convenient way to earn extra cash with a flexible schedule, especially if you have a larger vehicle and operate in areas with higher demand. However, due to low pay rates and inconsistent gig availability, it's best suited as a supplementary income source rather than a full-time job. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.